Hi everyone. So we're in the kitchen now, and probably been revealed in the previous video that it is pizza. We're doing homemade pizza, homemade chips, homemade crispy chicken, and Willow is going to be helping me do that. There's the board just in case we forget the ingredients. In the oven we've got the chicken, fresh chicken, and in the pan we've got bacon which is going to be fried off. In here we've got the basis to make our bread. So in here we've got strong flour, a little bit of oil there. You can see in the middle we have sugar. Now what the sugar is going to do is feed the yeast. So we haven't put the active yeast in yet, but what the sugar will do will feed the yeast. And salt. Where are we now? Huh? This is it. Really squeeze it, get your fingers in, give it a good knead, like that. Don't be scared of it. Hit it, whack it, squeeze it, do whatever you want with it, as long as you follow its basic instructions. Don't drop it on the floor. See that? Good dad save that was. 10 minutes. I'm gonna plonk it back into the bowl. So I've cleaned the bowl. Now, secret, yeah? This is the secret. The secret will be, so that it doesn't stick to the bowl, add some olive oil into the bowl, yeah? Yeah, swirl that around the bowl, and your bread, when it grows, it won't stick to the pan. Now that is going to grow about 3 or 4 times its size. Now, to give it even extra leverage in growth, we'll add cling film over the top. Little secret that I learned was to find out if it's actually working, because sometimes you use yeast and it's dead and it doesn't grow, it doesn't work. To find out if it's working, is it breeding? And the only way to find out if it's breeding is if you see on the surface of the cling film the evaporation attempt. So hopefully any second now it's starting to go, yeah, it's starting to breed. So we're going to leave that for about 45 minutes. Quick update, look at the condensation on there and the growth. There's some serious growing going on there. Willow's cooking station is ready, so we've got our barbecue sauce with the tomatoes, and we've got a tomato and basil there. We've also got the deli meats as well as the onions, some garlic there, and we've also got the chilies, red and green. On here we've got cooked raw meats, so chicken and bacon. On here we've got the cheese, which will be spread out nicely. Back in our kitchen, here she is, and we're ready to put our toppings on. So, barbecue and tomato on a half, this side, yeah, and this one on this side, which is tomato and herb. Spread, spread, spread. Want to do it? Good girl, that's good girl. Like this, yeah, all the way, right to the edges. Yeah, all the way to the edges. Toppings. We've got the stuff. I'm just going to put everything on because Willow's going to eat everything. I could give her a pepper just for a laugh. There you go. No? I don't like that. How about some chicken? No? Okay. How about some chili? No? How about some cheese? No? Okay. You just want the spoon. No. Sprinkle that. Oh, you want to have some onion? Go on then. Oh, do you want to put some on? Go on in this way. Like that. You do it. It smells nice. Good. Oh, and Willow's just helping us out some cheese. So one side of Willow's demands, we've got the chilies, we've got the chorizo and the chicken on a barbecue tomato base. On this side, we've got ham, bacon and onion on a tomato and herb base.